Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to access elements of collection. Now we know every object in HTML DOM is a node. So when we create same type of node, then HTML DOM automatically creates collection of that node. So here we have created two forms. One is the form 1 and second is the form 2, and it contains various fields like text field. And we have also created one paragraph for displaying just simple text. When we are accessing item in collection, then we can have two methods. One is accessing by using the number, and second access by using the name of the item. So we will see both these methods in this example. First, let's create script tag to write the JavaScript. I am giving type is equal to text JavaScript and completing script tag. Now to display text or output, I am using document.write method. I want to display the name of the first form using the collection. So I am just displaying simple text form 1 name is document dot forms 0. Every collection start with the 0 index. So I am writing forms of 0 to access form 1, and name property is used to retrieve the name of the form, here form 1. Complete the document.write method. Now let's access form name using the get element by id method, which is the name property of form. By using get element by id method, I am writing form2 name is. I want to retrieve the form name by using name. So I am writing document.get element by id. I am passing form id value, which is form 2, and name property is used to retrieve the name. Save the document and let's see what happens. We can see two text box is created, and which is in separate forms. Now see here, form 1 name is form 1 and form 2 name is form 2 is printed using the document.write method, and this is printed using the collection, and this is by get element by id method. Both name is accessed using the name property. So this is about how to access the element of collection. We can either use the number or the name of the element. So this is about accessing element of the collection. Thank you.